Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Let's go and see what's happening in tech world today. First news is about new generation of marbles. You can build these marble rounds and connect them to your smart home over Wi-Fi. So what is marble? You can see these small balls in the picture, blue, red, and it is one kind of game that we make some structure, some vase, and drop one ball and it goes, or some balls and they will goes inside this vase. Kind of competition. I think that you watch some videos like that on internet or on social media. But new generation of them can be online and digital. And you will ask why I should buy marble and connect it via Wi-Fi to my smart home. Answer is easy. It's kind of game and it is a new mode of that game. And how you can use of this. So what's different between new generation and old generation? Why it should be digital and why we should connect it to our smart home? Answer is very easy. For example, you want to watch a movie and your family members want other ones and you cannot decide. And it can be interesting game at your home. You will choose balls and any of them will be for one movie, and you start this game, and who will be winner you will watch that movie or something like that. Or for example, you can play this game with your for example children. For example, if for example they don't want to sleep, you say that if you be winner you will stay, if I will be winner I will turn off the light, and when this ball connects and finish the game, automatically all lights will be off, something like this. It's very interesting games. If you want to have them at your home, it's interesting. New news is about new ways for pregnancy, and IVF alternative could make having babies less awareness. So what is that? New generation of children can be outside of human body, and it's new system that they don't need to be inside mother's oval. They can be inside system and everything can go through the system. In this way mother can be healthy, won't have overweight or body shape or something like that. So it is new ways of pregnancy that will work in future. So you don't need to care of that child before he or she born. It can be inside system, and also you can choose data in future about, for example, what do you want about height, about eyes color, about genetic. You can choose everything, look like ordering, and you will have baby after 9 months, or maybe in future they make it a bit shorter. Another news is about Gemini Live. So a screen sharing feature is rolling out to Pixel 9 and Galaxy S25 devices. And it is not just about devices. I think that if you have Gemini Advance in any kind of phones, I tried with Samsung S22, it works. This is not a new function because ChatGPT had this, I think, more than 5 or 6 months, but it is new for Gemini. So you can turn on your camera and show everywhere to Gemini and ask any question you want, and it will answer you live. I think that it is about Gemini Advance. I'm not sure. And guys, if you don't know ChatGPT is better or Gemini, I really offer you to try Gemini too. Yes, ChatGPT is better at the moment, but Gemini is getting developed very fast. And you can try Gemini Advanced for 1 month free, so you can try it and understand which of them is better for you. So blue sky can take a joke. Too many people moved from Twitter, that now it is X, to blue sky, but blue sky at the moment is not as free as Twitter for speaking, for joking, and it make problem for that user that used to be free, speak what they want, and system doesn't understand that which of them is fun, which of them has problem or block or should be block them or something like that. At the moment, people don't know that how they can handle this situation because they used to be free, but at the moment blue sky is not look like Twitter. So the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 are being typed to come with One UI 8 on board. So One UI 8 is coming in. We will see it in August. I think it will comes, and One UI is a special system of the system that Samsung produced it, and it works with Android. So it's very very easy to use and really user-friendly system. And One UI 8 is coming in this August, and first mobile phones that will have this system, they are Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. Microsoft updates Copilot with greatest hits from other AIs. So the AI assistant adds personalization, web actions, podcast creation, and more. So Copilot is also another AI assistant program that can make anything movie, not move. I don't know movie. Yes, I think that something like making animation or movie generating pictures, and also you can see podcast creation and web actions, that means coding, and personalization, that means it can understand you and know you, and it can remember you, and it has memory about you and what you ask. So it is not new inside Gemini. I'm not sure about Gemini, I didn't try it, but in ChatGPT it is same. When you say something, it save it in memory and always know who are you. But Copilot also, Copilot is more powerful about generating and creating new things. But for information, for general questions, helps, I think that ChatGPT is better than Copilot. But Copilot for generating anything is very, very better than, for example, Gemini. ChatGPT is also good with new system, but Copilot is really good about that. So one new function of Google search that is very good, expanding AR overview and introducing AI mode. You will have AI assistant inside search window. That means when you go to Google and you want to search something, you also can have AI assistant which can help you to find better results. For example, we had always this problem, search something and answers was not the correct answers for us. Any website that's always was not doesn't have any connection with my question. And at the moment, Google see that people are using of AI assistant to searching, and they are going from Google search to asking from AI assistants. So they try to give some new functions to Google search to increase using of Google search. You can see Meet AI mode. It's here on your search, and you can work with it, and also it is very good. To Samsung One UI 8 could launch as soon as August 2025. I told you, and we will wait new functions, new abilities, or anything about this new One UI 8. It was today's news, guys. I hope very good day or night for you. Good people, good news, health, money, very, very everything good for you. Just I ask you, please, 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 if you like this video, like my video, write in comment part what do you think about this news, and what do you think about my videos, your offers, and please subscribe my channel to be updated about everyday's news. Have a good day. See you guys.